Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys are now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family, and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams Realty Group, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for January 8th, 2025. First full week of 2025, and we're seeing mixed numbers. We're also seeing the Fed saying they're going to keep rates steady. Right now, we're sitting right about 7%, which historically is average interest rates. But we don't think we're looking at any cuts coming in the near future. The 10-year and long-term rates look like we may see them go down to 6, but nothing drastic. So interest rates really aren't going to play too much into a factor in housing this year, in my opinion. I think we're going to be steady as we go, but we'll see. I report the numbers, you decide. We're showing up about 4.3% on housing sales over the last 12 months, which is positive from last year, so that's a good thing. Between the active, new listings sold and pending, we're mixed, right? Ups and downs are at 4 and 4. Active available listings, we're about flat with last week, down 2. So inventory still getting stripped as soon as it's getting listed. Up 19% year over year on the active available listing. New homes listed were up 56%, which is pretty big. Week over week, up 11% year over year. Solds were down 10% week over week and down 21% year over year. Pendings were up 11% week over week, down 24% year over year. Median sale price over the last 7 days came in at $235,000, showing appreciation of 10% versus last year's number at this time. And we saw over the last 12 months, median sale price came in at $248,000, showing 6% appreciation over last year's number. And last 12, we already went over that. 4,430 homes sold in the last 12 months versus last year at this time, 4,246, showing 4.3% more homes being sold. And days on market was about the same as last year. We saw it speed up a little bit over the last 7 days to 29 average, 12 median. That's about the same as last year when it was 23 average, 12 median. Showing to have a balanced market, we need about 2,215 active available listings. Right now we only have about 556, showing by my calculations about 3.98 buyers per listing. So still a seller's market. I believe we're right about 2 months inventory right now. 6 months inventory is a balanced market. That is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.